Beautiful.
Here is the most beautiful town I ever been to. Guanajuato City! Driving here might be a little bit tricky. The streets here are narrow and winding. There is no time to enjoy the colorful town. A unique sight of Guanajuato is this tunnels.
Underground.
And now the GPS is freaking out.
GPS signal lost.
These tunnels used to be channels to prevent flooding the towns.
Even deeper.
If you don't know where to go, you never know where you come out.
See where we pop out. So crazy.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. It's cool, right?
It's really cool.
Guanajuato City is in a narrow valley. The town grew to the surrounding hills and crept up the mountainsides.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Wandering in a colorful labyrinth makes me really excited.
Hola.
Yes.
What is this?
Space is at the premium in Guanajuato, so many houses are small and accessed via narrow passageways. People needed the space to spend time outdoors, so Guanajuato has many small plazas. I like those cute plazas. I just want to sit there and enjoy the sun all day. It feels like time goes slower here. This market has a chaotic collection of market stalls and selling a wide range of items. This building was originally constructed to be a major train station, so inside the roof is quite high.
Yeah? Did you find something?
No.
Huh.
But the progress was failed, and this building transformed to the main market in Guanajuato.
Oh yeah, we stepped up there. Oh, there's a...
Can we take that up later?
There is a cable car, so you don't have to walk back up the hill. It's just 25 pesos. The view from cable car is just gorgeous.
So beautiful here. What's the name of the restaurant?
Chilo, Chila, and Chuchita.
We didn't know what to order, so we just ordered one of each. We have no idea what those are.
Onions, lime.
I'm gonna put a little bit of this. And then this cilantro.
Oh yeah, I like it. What is this green one?
No, honey.
How is it?
Nice.
What is it?
I don't know. Green one.
Could be cactus.
No, it's waffle.
Oh, it's a waffle.
This one's maybe the best one.
Really? I think so. What is it?
I don't know.
Looks gross.
Is it?
A little bit.
Really strong flavor.
Yeah? We don't say it's tasty.
Right.
Yeah, it's really strong smell.
No? You don't want it?
No. What is that?
That was maybe mushrooms or something.
Oh, maybe yeah. Oh, maybe yeah. Oh,
Swallow, honey.
I'm sorry, Mushroom. I really hate you.
I hate mushrooms. Mushroom, I got poisoned.
Did you know that I grew up in mushroom farm?
All
The
right.
last one.
One last one.
That looks nice.
This one's kind of plain.
Which one is the best for you?
It's the pork belly.
Me too.
We got the problem.
Where's our license plate? So this morning we went to Soriana to use washroom. And then when we come back to the van, we realized that our license plate was gone on the front side.
Somebody took our license plate.
Yeah, somebody did take our license plate, but actually, it's probably the police that took it because we had a parking ticket.
Nice view.
You ready?
Okay.
Walking around is a great way to enjoy the town, but you can also step back and see the town from far away. Hey!
Nice, beautiful town.
Oh, there's taxi.
Okay.
Gracias.
Oh, about the license plate? To get your license plate back, you need to go to this place, Pago de Multas. Here, you can pay your fine and get your license plate back. Actually, they have so many license plates.
We got our plate back. So it was cost $253.47.
Yeah.
Not bad, I guess. So if people get the parking ticket, just don't escape, pay the fine, and they get the license plate back.
Yeah, be good citizen.
Exactly.
Next week on Vanguard Yuka, finally, we are leaving Mexico.
What are we doing here? Should we just drive or pay?
No idea.
Can we leave?
What do you need? How much it's gonna be? What do you want to know?
We need to go through here.
I know you gotta pay though, man. What's wrong with that? Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Well, we don't know what your cause is, so why would we pay?
Why? Because that's a better way to go home.